back half the bike again. No, I'm just kidding. So every CX that I've done to date has had a traditional drum brake rear, and this bike is actually going to have some Cognito lace wheels with a disc brake in the back. So the thing I'm most excited about is getting rid of this damn like Rube Goldberg type great brake setup, and getting rid of this kickstand that somebody modified, and coming up with some kind of clean solution. So far I have no idea what that solution is going to be. I just know that all this is going to get cut off, and then I'm likely going to have maybe a couple hangers or something under there, but I'm thinking I'm going to put like a more modern sport bike kickstand on here and maybe have it flip from the center or something, or maybe make something completely custom. I have no idea, but I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to make it cool, and I'm going to make it clean, and it's going to be awesome. So this is probably going to be one of the most satisfying things that I will do to this bike, is get rid of all of this crap. So I am going to start cutting, and it won't be finished ground or anything like that until I go down to the bare frame and I can flip this thing upside down. But yeah, we're going to get rid of all that stuff. And then whenever I figure something out and start building it back up, I'll definitely be videoing. So we'll see how this goes. So much better. Yep. So much better. Got my aggression out for today. Trash. doing this bend in here is to counteract the difference in the swing arm. So it's got a little, a little tweak here, a little tweak there, but overall that is what we want. We'll check how far off it is, but if you look at the swing arm from the side, the end of the bar is going to be about here, and I want it to meet up with the end of the swing arm on this side. But on this side, we actually don't have as much length because of the differential. So it'll come from the other side down like this, around, and then that angle I'm adding is hopefully to go up and meet about here. And then we'll brace it with plate further, but hopefully that'll look good and fit well. So I'm gonna get some gloves on and try to mock it up real quick without burning my hands. So wish me luck. So after a lot of cutting and bending and tweaking and whatnot, we got the brace fitted, taped on there, industrial strength of course. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't come down really any lower than the bottom here. So from the side profile with the bottom of the engine, it won't look, it won't look like it's hung into outer space. So I think it looks pretty awesome, and hopefully it will be a functional piece. I'm going to actually plate it, and it'll be plenty strong from there on out. But I didn't want to put one on top just to keep that shock exposed, maybe keep it looking good. Come around to the other side. And it looks awesome. So probably maybe tomorrow night, maybe Friday or something like that, I'll try to get it, start getting it welded up. But I'm actually picking up a new welder hopefully on Saturday, and that's going to be awesome. I definitely need one, and that's going to definitely improve the quality. So hopefully we get that, and just start hammering stuff out and make it look nice. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But continuing on, next up is going to probably be just finish welding the frame, and then actually starting to build the electronics tray, and we'll go from there. Stick around. How's it going, everybody? I just want to do a kind of a quick wrap-up video for what I've been doing on this CX swing arm here. So as you saw, I mocked up that tube, and here I actually have it welded on. Been playing with that TIG, trying to get better. It looked pretty good. And what I'll do after this, I'm actually going to add some steel plate in here, and that'll actually give it the strength, so the nothing can flex. So I didn't actually record any of this. I know it can kind of I didn't want to just fill a video with a bunch of just welding, because you'll see on the next one when I'm welding the subframe, it's just it's not much to look at, but it's fun for me, and it's something I have to do practice wise. So anyway, but I'm gonna keep working on this. If I might not actually fill this in right off the bat. It can wait a little bit longer still. But what I'm excited about next is, of course, building the electronics tray for the frame. Since the subframe's welded, I can start building the tray in here, and then I can start filling it with all kinds of goodies. Now I have been just stockpiling parts this entire time. I have this entire shelf up here, and it's just filled with parts for this bike. So I'm probably going to end up making a separate video just kind of going over what I'm using, why, maybe where I got it, and that, just for anybody else who might want to use that stuff, because this is kind of a unique bike, unique build, and we're using unique parts. So anyway, we're going to keep jamming away on this thing and just keep checking out the videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.